Hello and welcome to the pet room. So a while ago I sprayed some DEOXIT into this machine, and now I am trying to reinstall the RAM chips into these somewhat unforgiving sockets. They're very exacting. Excuse me, I would rather not do this, but I'm left-handed. Oh, that's not happening. Let's check the pins. They do appear to be okay. So, definitely that is not lined up properly. I'm going to put on some glasses and try to get this to go in nice. Come on. Okay. We are in nice. We are. Now, whoops. I'm going to reach behind here and turn this on. But nothing is happening. And why? Well, because the power bar is not turned on. Can I get there? I think I can. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, so this pet now has come up okay. I'm going to push on this. And it looks to be fine. Now, a couple of times before, strange things happened with this pet. They did. And the most recent thing is I did push on those RAM chips, and the weird things, I'm not sure if they subsided or certainly something happened. So I put the RAM chips back in, and I'm now going to lower the hood on this and put it down, and then load in the program to see if weird things happen after things get tortured for a while. So thanks for coming. We'll see what happens after, or if the DEOXIT managed to handle the micro corrosion issues, if there were micro corrosion issues. We'll see. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.